Once upon a time in a small village, there was a little boy named Max who loved to play outside. He rode his bike, climbed trees, and played with his friends all day long. But there was one thing Max didn't like. He hated coming home to clean up. His room was always a mess with toys scattered everywhere and clothes piled up high on his bed. One sunny afternoon, Max found an old, dusty broom in the attic. Curious, he took it downstairs to show his mom. As he swept a bit, the broom suddenly sparkled and began to move on its own. It flew around the room, sweeping up everything in its path. Max's eyes widened in amazement as the magical broom cleaned his room in just seconds. Excitedly, he decided to test it out on the rest of the house. The broom whizzed through the hallways into the kitchen, and even tidied up the garden. Everything sparkled and shined. Max realized how wonderful it felt to be in a clean space. As Max admired the tidy house, the magical broom whispered, "Cleanliness brings happiness." Max smiled and promised to keep his room clean from that day on. With the magical broom as his friend, cleaning became fun and easy. Max even taught his friends the secret of keeping things tidy. From then on, the village became the cleanest place in the land, all thanks to Max and his new friend, the magical broom. And they all lived happily ever after.